Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake WEDOWEE, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a cute lake cabin with an open floor concept. The family room offers a vaulted ceiling, with a rock-faced wood-burning fireplace and hardwood floors. The kitchen has plenty of cabinet space, stainless appliances with a dining area and island. The master bedroom is on the main level with a large private master bath. Double doors from the master lead out into the screened deck. There is an additional bedroom and bath for your family and guests. The screened deck covers the entire rear of the home that offers amazing views of the lake. The terrace level has a spacious family room for the kids to enjoy themselves. There are 2 bathrooms and a full bathroom for your family or guests. The covered terrace patio offers plenty of room to enjoy the outdoors. There is a golf cart path to the gazebo and covered floating dock with 197 feet of shoreline with year-round water. Great deal on this home in today's lakefront real estate market. By boat you are minutes from large open water.